Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. In the last class, we have discussed what are polynomials, what are linear polynomial, cubic polynomial, quadratic polynomial, then degree of a polynomial, then monomial, binomial, trinomial, etc. Okay. In this class, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Okay. Let us check this topic by using one example. Okay, dear students, let us discuss zero of a polynomial by using one example. We have one example, p of x equal to x square minus 2x. Okay, p of x equal to x square minus 2x. Then substitute different values for x. Clear? For example, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, 3, like that. Okay, let us check. All of you listen here. Put x equal to 1. That is p of 1. P of 1. That means instead of just replace this x by 1. Clear? That is x square, that is 1 square minus 2 into 1. X square minus 2x. Replace x by 1, that is 1 square minus 2 into 1. That is 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So p of 1. We replace this x by 1 and we got the value of the polynomial as minus 1. Clear? P of 1 is equal to minus 1. Then next step, P of 2. We can take any real number. Okay, a negative number, 0, positive numbers, any real numbers we can take. Okay, then next we took x equal to 2. Replace x by 2. Then what becomes x square? That means 2 square minus 2 into replace x by 2. That is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means when we replace x by 2, we got the value of the polynomial 0. Okay, so p of 2 is equal to 0. Then take p of 3. 3. X square, that is 3 square minus 2 into 3. That is 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So p of 1 is equal to minus 1, p of 2 is equal to 0 and p of 3 is equal to 3. Okay, see, these minus 1, 0, 3 are values of this polynomial x square minus 2x with different real numbers, different values. Okay, when we replace x by 1, we got the value of polynomial minus 1. When we replace x by 2 and we got the value of the polynomial 0 and p of 3 is equal to 3. Okay, if, see, when we replace x by 2, we got the value 0. Okay, it is very important. It's very important. If 2 is called, all of you listen here. If 2 is called 0 of the polynomial p of x, then p of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, x in പകരം 2 substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പം പോളിനോമിയലിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 0 കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ 2 ആണ് എന്ത് 0 ഓഫ് ദി പോളിനോമിയൽ p of x. Clear? If or 2 is called the zeros of p of x. 0 of p of 2 is called the 0 of p of x if, what is the condition? If p of 2 is equal to 0. p of 2, അതായത് എക്സിൻ്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് 2 കൊടുക്കുമ്പം പോളിനോമിയലിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ 0 കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ 2 ആയിരിക്കും ഈ പോളിനോമിയലിൻ്റെ 0. ക്ലിയർ? ഇൻ ജനറൽ if a is called the zero of p of x, a ആണ് p of x ൻ്റെ 0 എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താവണം? p of a is equal to, then p of a should be equal to 0. Clear? If we replace x by a and we got the value of polynomial 0, then a is called the 0 of p of x. Clear? Okay, dear students, let us discuss one question. Find the value of each of the following polynomials. Okay, and indicated value of variables. That means it is given first question, p of x equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. This is a polynomial p of x. We need to find the value of this polynomial at a x equal to 1. That means what? Yes, replace x by 1. Okay, all of you listen here. So, p of 1 is equal to, p of 1 is equal to, replace x by 1. That is, put x equal to 1 in this polynomial. So, p of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. 5 into 1 square, replace x by 1, minus 3 into 1 plus 7. That is 5. 1 square means 1. Minus 3 plus 7. That is 5 plus 7, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. So, value of this polynomial at x equal to 1 is 9. Clear? Dear students, let us discuss next question. Here also find the value. Okay. Q of y. Polynomial q of y is equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equal to 2. How to do this? Yes, it's very easy. Replace this y by 2. That means put y is equal to 2 in the polynomial. Okay. So, which implies q of 2 is equal to 3 into y. In place of y, put 2. 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 11. Clear? 3 into 2 cube 8 minus 8 plus root 11, which implies 24 minus 8 plus root 11. 24 minus 8, 16. 16 plus root 11. So, value of this polynomial q of y at y is equal to 2 is 16 plus root 11. This type of questions are very important. Find values of polynomials. Okay. Okay, dear children, another question. P of t. Okay, we can use any variable. Okay, P of t is equal to 4 t raised to 4 plus 5 t cube minus t square plus 6 at t is equal to a. That means put t is equal to a in the polynomial. Okay, replace t by a. So, which implies p of a. P of a is equal to 4 into t raised to 4 is a raised to 4. Okay, plus 5 a cube minus, sorry, not t, a square plus 6. We cannot do anything more. Okay, this is the simplest form. So, value of p of t at t is equal to a is p of a is equal to 4a raised to 4 plus 5a cube minus a square plus 6. Okay, this is the value of this polynomial at t is equal to a. Okay. Okay, dear students, let us discuss another example. Okay, this is also very important. So, I will read the question. Find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for the following polynomial. P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, so we need to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. So, let us first, let's write the polynomial. P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, then first p of 1, sorry, p of 0 first. P of 0. Replace this t by 0. Okay, 2 plus t, 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. That is 2. This is 0, this term also 0. So, answer is 2. Okay, or we can write which is p of 0 is equal to 2. Clear? Then next step, p of 1. P of 1. Replace this t by 1. Put t is equal to 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. That is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1 into 2 into 1 square, 2 minus 1. That is 2 plus 5 minus 1. That is 4. So, P of 1 is equal to 4. Next, P of 2. Put a T is equal to 2. Clear? So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 into T square, that is 2 square minus 2 cube. That is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 square, 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. 2 cube, 8. That is 8 minus 8, 0, then 4. So, we have a polynomial P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube, and P of 0, we found that P of 0 value of this P of t at 0 is 2. P of 1 is 4, P of 2 is 4.